I discovered that my best friend pretended to be sick so I wouldn't go out with my boyfriend. It all started on a Friday night when my boyfriend invited me to dinner to celebrate our anniversary. I was excited, but just before leaving, I received a message from Sophia, my best friend. She said she was feeling very ill, had a high fever, and couldn't get out of bed. I dropped everything and rushed to her house to take care of her. However, when I arrived, it seemed odd that she didn't want me to enter her room. I stayed in the living room waiting until she came out. Even though she tried to look weak, something didn't add up. The next day, while organizing my purse, I found the receipt from the restaurant where my boyfriend had made the reservation. My curiosity led me to check social media, and there it was. Recent proof, a photo of Sophia at a gathering with her friends, on the same night she claimed to be sick. When I confronted her, she admitted that it bothered her that I was spending more time with my boyfriend than with her. She said she did it to get me back. I felt betrayed and confused. How do you react when the person you consider your greatest support is the one trying to sabotage your happiness?